Look at the speed on the tail section.
Okay. Truly remarkable craftsmanship.
This place doesn't want us here.
The jungle never gives back easily. We can't bring it back to what it was, but we can still save what it means. Then it becomes history, not scrap.
This identification number matches the logs from '08. Look at the corrosion here.
It's much worse now. The jungle takes everything quickly.
This marking here, that indicates the A model, not the C.
Yes, that matches the serial number here. Good eye.
Fuselage panel shows heavy corrosion near the access hatch. Marking it now.
Confirmed. The tail section seems stable, but the mountings are failing.
The damage tells two stories, the crash and the years after.
Most of this came from the jungle, not the journey here.
These numbers tell us exactly who it was.
And where it belonged.
Every detail matters before we touch anything.
Once it changes, this moment is gone forever.
The corrosion here is extensive, particularly around the main spar.
Yes, but the underlying structure seems sound. They can work with this.
This coupling here seems intact, despite the exposure.
The titanium held up well. We should focus on the internal hydraulics next.
This section here, the corrosion is extensive, but the structural integrity seems manageable.
Yes, the stabilizers are intact, just heavily oxidized.
Well, the heavy organic matter is gone. We have a clearer picture of the damage now.
Indeed. The next phase will be critical for the structural integrity.
Check the spar attachment point. Heavy pitting here.
Confirmed. Log in the fatigue crack at the joint.
We need to adjust the sequence. Focus on the rotor assembly now.
That corrosion on the main rotor shaft is worse than we thought. It will need replacement.
Yes, but the fuselage might still be salvageable. Look how they integrated the new sections right here.
Remarkable. It retains the aged look, but is structurally sound.
They work fast. Are these parts identical to the originals?
Yes, down to the last rivet. They specialize in historical accuracy.
Keep it moving, we're on a tight schedule.
Panel secured.
Moving to controls.
Look at the detail on the cockpit instrumentation.
Museum grade, exactly as promised.
Look at the precision on that alignment. They are maintaining the original shape.
Impressive work indeed. The structural lines are almost complete.
The speed is incredible, but look at the accuracy. That's the authentic military olive drab.
Look at the speed on the tail section.
Truly remarkable craftsmanship.
Clear the main gear. Green light on the hub alignment.
Roger that. Moving to Station 4.
Anh belajar sau, perisan kawal, kurun sedagi tanah, wakitin saya nemu kukan.